What's up guys, so this is a quick video on the new Crosstour CT9000 4K action camera. So right, you can buy this from Amazon for around £50. So right, let's get it open and have a look. So it actually comes with a 12 months warranty. And first of all, we've got some contact details for Crosstour. So if you have any problems or issues, you can get in touch with them directly. So that's good. So we've got a user manual. And this is the camera itself. So I have got a GoPro Hero 4 and I've checked the size and it's more or less the same size and shape. So right, it comes in this waterproof housing and it's waterproof up to 30 meters. I'll just get the camera out so we can have a look at it. So this is what the camera looks like. So here we've got the on and off button and the mode button. The lens itself is a 170 degrees HD wide angle fisheye lens. On this side we've got a microphone somewhere, but I can't see where it is. So on the bottom here we've got a HDMI port and you can connect that to a TV or a monitor so you can view what you've recorded or what you're recording at the time. So above there we've got a micro USB port and that's for charging and data transfer. Next to that we've got a micro SD slot and it'll take up to a 32 gigabyte Class 10 Plus card. So on the back of it we've got a 2-inch LCD screen which isn't a touch screen, and we've got 2 LED lights here, one to let you know when you're charging and the other one to let you know when you're recording. On this side we've got a speaker and we've got 2 buttons and they're up and down to scroll through the menu system. So on the very top we've got an LED light there, so that lets you know when the camera's turned on, and we've got an OK button there, so that's there to select whatever you want through the menu system, and it is the shutter button as well. So on the very bottom this is where the battery compartment is, and you simply lift this up and slot the battery in there. So it takes a 1050 milliamp lithium ion battery which takes up to 2 hours to charge and will give you up to 90 minutes recording time depending on your settings. But they do actually say if you connect the lead up, the power lead, you can continuously record as long as you want. So the camera itself is a 4K camera and it'll do 4K at 25 frames per second. It'll do 2K at 30 frames per second. It'll do 1080p at 60 frames per second and 30 frames per second as well. It'll do 720 at 120 frames per second, which is good for slow motion and things like that. And finally it will do 720p at 60 frames per second. It'll take pictures up to the maximum of 16 megapixels and it's got built-in Wi-Fi as well. So what that means is you can connect any Android or iOS device to it. So that's like any Android phone or iPhones or an iPad or a tablet of some sort. So all you need to do is download the app and it's called iSmartDV. And you download that from the App Store or Google Play. So right, I don't know what else I can tell you about the camera. I think that's everything. So we'll have a look what we get inside the box. So we've got another big box here. Just make some room, because on this box it says accessories and it feels like there's loads of accessories. So first of all, we've got a roll bar mount, and that can be used to fit on a motorcycle or a bicycle, a scooter, or a fence, a metal bar fence, or anything like that. Basically anywhere where there's a bar, it'll attach in there, and you tighten them up from the sides and connect the camera to the top of it. So we get 2 batteries with it as well, which is very good, because normally you only get 1 battery. So we'll have a look at one of the batteries to see what it looks like. Focus. So right, that's what the battery looks like. So you get 2 of them, so that's wicked. So we get this housing frame for the camera itself, so we can mount it in here instead of the waterproof housing. It's got a 1/4 inch thread at the top and the bottom of it, so you can mount it to a tripod or anything like that. We've got another back door for the waterproof housing case with 2 slots in it, so that will allow sound to be recorded. We've got 2 base mounts as well, and they've got sticky foam pads at the bottom, similar to the GoPro mounts. So we've got this other mount here, and it's like a clip mount. So basically you can clip that onto your clothes or your bag or your rucksack or even your belt. So that'll attach to the camera, and that's pretty good. We've got a charging and data transfer lead, and there's more stuff. You've got like a J-hook clamp, we've got a remote control for it. So basically this is waterproof up to 3 meters, and it will work up to a distance of 20 meters away. That's what they say. So we've got a strap for the remote control, and we've got like a tripod mount, and we've got another one which looks like this, and it's got a 1/4 inch thread at the bottom. And it comes with these 3-way pivot arms. So you've got a long one, a short one, and another short one which is a straight one. So it comes with 2 more large straps and 2 smaller straps. And finally, it comes with 2 spare adhesive sticky pads, and a cleaning cloth for your camera, and some tie wraps. And if you can see there's a metal tether just there, so you can attach that to your camera and to somewhere secure, so your camera doesn't fall off and you lose it or whatever. So right, that's everything you get in the box itself. It's empty now. So right guys, I did want to show you how to use the camera and the menu system, and how to connect to the app and use the remote control and some footage. So what I'm going to do, I'll do another video and show you all that, because this is getting too long now. So right guys, for £50 you can't really complain. My final conclusions are, with all the extras, a 4K camera plus 2 batteries is a really good deal, especially for a startup camera, so you can have a laugh, little kids can have a go on it, everybody can have a go on it basically, and it's not as expensive as the GoPro Heroes. So right guys, I hope this helps somebody out who's thinking about buying one, and thanks for watching guys. Like, comment and subscribe. Bye.